The Union Home Minister Amit Shah has issued a new guidelines of 10-page order regarding the national song Vande Mataram. According to the report published on February 11th in New Delhi, the centre has directed that all 6 stanzas of Vande Mataram must be sung first whenever the national song and the national anthem are played together. Vande Mataram was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The Home Ministry had earlier on January 20th released the first official set of protocols for singing the national song for the official events. The order clearly states that the official version of Vande Mataram must be sung during the important official functions. These include occasions like the arrival of President, the rising of national flag, speeches by governors, and the other major government or public events. It also mentions that whenever the national song is sung, the gathering must stand in attention. The official version should be recited with mass singing. In schools, the program should begin with the playing of national song. The centre has also highlighted that these instructions come as the country is observing 150 years of Vande Mataram. The order further clarifies that it is not possible to give a complete list of all occasions where the national song can be sung, but the official version must be followed whether it is performed. This new directive aims to bring uniformity and clarity in how Vande Mataram is sung at official events across the country.